Hey guys, this is Melissa. Diamond Nana. I changed my name. Not even going to tell y'all about that situation. I will at a later time with a kid up or something. But I just had to start recording because I did the wrong thing again. Alrighty. I've got an unboxing here for you. And let's see here. Get into it. I probably should have got into it before I started you on the video. How about that? But I didn't. And I hope this is recording. Yeah, it is. Because I unboxed about 5 things the other night. And wasn't even recording. Taking pictures. Okay. I know what I think this is. I hope it is anyway. Well, if I can get it out of the box. Or out of the bag. Okay, I'm thinking this is... I'm praying this is my not Desmond. Huzini. From Uniquely Yours Down Under. Yes, it is. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, it is. Okay. I think that's all out of the box. Turn it around here. I know you're still not going to be able to see it all. Because this tripod won't go straight up. This is a 60 by 80. It is Huzini Rose Proffitt. Girl, I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh gosh, I bet every bit of that's $3.10. Because I don't know if I ordered ABs with it. Ooh. Look there, guys. Toolkit. This is the last toolkit I'll be getting, I guess, because you have to pay $15.95 for them now. So I guess this is the last one I'll be getting. You've got some flower washi tape. And it's that paper tape kind of one. Then you've got a wax caddy. Well, let me get it out here. It's a little diamond wax caddy. Lord have mercy. There's a bunch of wax in here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thought it was more than that. There's 4 here. And then 5. Okay, throw that in the garbage. Okay, I'm going to put that off to the side. Then you got some more wax. You got these bendy metal tweezers. I haven't used them yet. I've got several pairs of them. Then you got a sparkly pen. Clear sparkly with a single placer and a 3-placer. And a blue squishy. A Mosfa boat. I don't know if you can see if that's Mosfa or not. But it is. Yep, there you go. Anywho. And there's a 7-placer here, I think. I think this is 7 placers. Again, in this, back in the organza bag. There's your 7-placer. And then you get I'm not going to take this out. Ooh, that's prettier on camera than it is. That's unusual. A 3-placer, a 7-placer, and a long straightener. So that's that blue acrylic pen. Blue and white, cloudy looking. Acrylic pen. Blah, 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 blah. Spit it out, Melissa. Words today. Words, words, words. Okay. Guys, I have no clue where my hickey thingy's at. And y'all know what I'm talking about, my hickey thingy. The tape measure. This is the drill fill. Oh. I'll show you the legend here. Again, I wish this legend was a little bit bigger. But I'm going to cut this off since I've got a legend. I never use this. And then I am so curious to know. I bet you anything. This is $9.39. I don't know what makes me think that. Let's see. And then you have your legend. And your thumbprint, or thumbnail, not thumbprint. So that looks big in the camera. I could just take a picture of it. Have my daughter to print it out for me. I gotta get me a printer, but that's the last thing. I gotta quit buying diamond paintings first. Yeah. I gotta get all of them unboxed. Get you here where you can see. Well, see, definitely sticky. I do not like to touch stuff glue like that. I don't know that it hurts it, and I don't know that it don't hurt it. I cannot believe him. He is absolutely gorgeous. I don't even know if y'all can even look at them eyes. I love animals. I love monkeys. As everybody knows, I love elephants. I guess that's my favorite is elephants, and then monkeys, chimpanzees, gorillas, orangutans. I'd like to have a little spider monkey myself, or a chimpanzee. I don't think that's ever going to happen. Okay. Oh, geez. Rose. And Jenny. We got labels here. This is crazy. I just got Huzini in and Desmond. And the Desmond didn't have the sticker sheets. Oh, I'm so excited. $9.39 is R. I don't know how I knew that. But look at this. They're not cut individually, but, you know, we've got scissors. That's what scissors are made for. And it tells you how much the bags weigh. 202.32. I don't know. Quantity. 38,318. Well, at least it's not 310. There's not a 310 in this painting. Don't hear me complain. But, then again, I like 310, so. But it'll be a refreshing change, because the one I'm working on now, the Piggy in the Tub by DSC, it's got a lot of black. You got 3013. $37.99. 37.87. 37.82. 38.60. 37.81. 34. 47. 5, 6, 7. 30, 46. 30, 45. This thing has got 35 colors. 36 colors. 30, 21. 30, 12. These are rounds. 30, 11. 3, 18. 38, 63. 9, 77. 9, 75. 8, 69. 8, 23. Okay, thin drill sparkle. Okay, this one doesn't have any ABs. I guess I ordered it without it because I didn't think it would need it. 7, 79. 7, 29. 6, 42. 6, 12. 6, 11. Focus. 4, 13. Okay, guys, I think I've got this like I want to be because you can see the colors, you can see the canvas. You got 3, 17. I just can't get it up high. The only thing I don't like about it. Oh. Look at this, guys. 939s. I can go to town. I can get me a 10 placer out and find me some wax that'll work in it or some mud and go to town on it. It's a big chunk of 938. It's a really pretty brown color. The packs are tight in there. These are too. These is 33 71s. Look at that shine, guys. The sparkle on those drills. $8.39. 420. 434. 451. And 3. Well, 300. You've got 38.64. 435. And 422. Whew. The lowest number is 300. The highest number is 38.64. So I'm not gonna. I'll put y'all in a squirrely voice or music or something on this. And 36. So they're all here. I'm not going to make y'all suffer putting these back in the bag. I will cut this part of it out. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I dang sure ain't. Because I swore I was quitting editing videos, because that's the reason, part of the reason that I quit making videos is because the editing of it. And I'm just going to y'all get what you see. I'll just try not to ramble too much on y'all. Again, that is Huzini Rose Proffitt 60 to 80 centimeter round. So I am extremely happy with the two canvases that I got. Jennifer, Jeannie, I don't know what you prefer to be called. I just call you Jen most of the time. You guys know, you should know, I'm an affiliate with Uniquely Yours Down Under. And if you want to save 10% off your order and always free shipping, I know the United States is. I've never paid shipping on any of hers. But if you want free shipping and 10% off, I've got a referral link down in the description box, and my coupon code is just NANA, N-A-N-A, all lowercase letters. If y'all would like to, come join me on the Facebook. If you could, give me a like. If you can't, give me a dislike. It don't matter to me. Just the views is what I need, I guess. I mean, I'd love for you to comment, but if you can't comment, that's okay. I don't have a problem at all with that. But I love to read those comments. It bless my heart to see the views, the number of views. But it blesses my soul to see the comments. So I guess I'm done this unboxing. I'm going to get it put up. It's going to be, this is for a collab. I don't know if I said that or not. I don't think I did at the beginning. This is for a collab. I'm not going to announce it right now, but it's in July. So I'm not going to put this one back in the box because I'm going to actually go ahead and kit it up because I have the case set, or the storage right here. I'm not going to kit it up on this video, but I will be kitting it up on video. But it'll be closer to the time. I'm going to go ahead and film it, but it won't be released till closer to the time for the collab, I'm assuming. But I appreciate you guys. And I forgot to say this at the beginning, but I'm going to say it at the end. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. I love you guys. Bye.